Big welcome to Bromley Park in Central Victoria. I'm Aaron Sanderson.
And I'm Paul Sanderson.
Here we have over the back, if you swing around, you can have a look at some ewes, old ewes, 5-year-old ewes with young lambs at foot. Yeah, so these girls are due to head off the market over to Bendigo tomorrow. They get loaded up, ready to be sold. See the soft wool? See, look at all that wool. See that?
Zoe.
See how soft that is. See, she's a good big girl, isn't she?
So what we're up to now in Feb on the back of some rain a couple of weeks ago is trying to bowl over these summer weeds we've got coming up, mainly to conserve moisture for the upcoming crop and also prevent anything from setting seed that's going to be a seed bank for later on. So yeah, it's all about keeping an eye on your delta T this time of year, and the conditions obviously fairly dry and dusty in spite of some good growth, but it's really about taking it easy, working through the night really where you can, provided the conditions are okay, and then knocking off once it gets a bit warm, which we're just about to do. So